introduce yourself.
Hello guys. Hi. My name is Alfred Labudya. You can call me Alisa. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay, Alexa, you can sit next to Jake.
Okay, miss, thank you.
Hello, I'm Jen. Nice to meet you, Alexa.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, everyone. Today we will discuss about part of speech. Part of speech are classes of words that contain noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, injunction, interjection, and preposition. The first thing we will discuss is noun. Okay, so does anyone know what a noun is?
Noun is a word that describes a person, place, thing, event, substance, or quality.
That's right. And nouns are divided into two, namely countable noun and uncountable noun. Maybe that's all I can say today. Thank you for your attention, guys. Goodbye.
There is a new student. Let's go to her. Where is she, bro? Look at her. She is very beautiful. Oh my God, she's beautiful. Come on, you go first. You go first. Come on, you go first. After you. Sure, come. I go to her. I'm calling her. Hey girl, what's your name?
Alisa.
Oh, Alexa. That's beautiful name. You want to hang out with me?
No thanks.
Shit, it's so bad. Which one want, girl?
Day 2 during break time in school cafeteria.
Fucking great. Oh my god, sorry, I didn't know it on my part. Oh my god, my phone. Is your phone okay? Yes, okay. I'm so sorry, guys. Yes, okay. This student but a lot of behavior. Learn how, shit. Fuck, you're tired. And since today, you have been making yours angry. You actually have problem with me. I noticed your hair is really nice. Oops, sorry. Isn't my bad. Goodbye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Who are you, girl? You deserve it.